I got these yesterday. I was like, these look good. I don't even know. Like, ew. Now just looking at it, I see carrots in it. Okay, I'm gonna try this right here. I'm gonna try this chow mein teriyaki beef noodle mukbang. If I don't like this, I guess, I don't know, because I had got two. I got this one. And I got this one. Now this one looks more spicy. This one looks better to eat. So if that one don't work out, I'm gonna eat this one next. So yeah. Hey guys, so this is my first actual mukbang. I think it's cool to be like mukbang, mukbang. It's a mukbang. But anyway, I'm going to be eating chow mein. This right here. Y'all, I'm reading the thing today. Like, the only thing I was looking at was the picture, and I noticed it has carrots in it, and I'm not a fan of carrots. It got carrots and what is in here? It's chow mein noodles, bok chow, cabbage, and carrots with sweet teriyaki sauce. It smells kind of good, but I hope it's not nasty, because if it's nasty, I'm gonna eat the other one. Cause the sauce smells kind of good. Let's see. Show y'all. Ew. Y'all just seen that? This thing is hot, by the way. Hold on, let me take this off. Ew. Did y'all not just see that? What was that? Y'all, I don't even, oh, look what this thing did to my fart. I don't even eat teriyaki stuff. I don't know what I was thinking. This is what it looks like. I hope it's not nasty. If it is, I'm gonna just eat my eat the other one. I just want to taste this, to be honest. And it got real life, like what is that, cabbage in here? Look how big this cabbage is. This thing hot. Let me taste this. It done messed up my fork. Hot too. It's not nasty, but it's different. You want some? Yeah. She said hot. Yes, it's hot. I agree, it's hot. Do this. It's kind of good. It's like sweet and sour. Alright. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying to make her open them. Like, it's kind of good. This is hot. This is not that bad. If y'all want, this is only 88 cents at Walmart. I was like, I'm craving noodles and it looked good. So we just actually had Wendy's like an hour ago. By the time around the time, yeah, I done stopped eating and started talking. Around the time,
we're counting down to 12. Yeah, it's Titan songs. And since I'm the star, check it. I'm going first.
Teen Titan in the background.
Nice baby music. Oh, snap.
Around the time I was doing the hair review video. This is good. I'm gonna get copyright with Teen Titans. It's weird because I'm still eating this. Stay right there. Let me taste the cabbage. Not bad to eat, but will I get this again? Probably so. Maybe not. I don't want to just go looking for it. I don't know. It's good though. I was expecting it to be nasty, to be honest, when I saw it. Look. It's a lot coming in here too for 88 cents. We love Teen Titans. Yeah, I'm probably just hungry. Because I don't know. I really want to stop eating this and eat the other one. Okay, so I'm back. And I just warmed up these right here. Y'all probably already eat this stuff. I'm just now trying it. It say after microwave. It say please add chili sauce, please. So this one came with 3 different packages. Ooh. Ew, why does it look like this?
Ew,
yeah, ew. Look you guys. Look.
For every disaster, there's a hero. And for every hero, there's a villain.
And you see it?
Nemesis.
Why does it look like that?
Villain time on DVD. Creepy clowns.
Ooh, I need to add water to this. This just dried this all the way out. Look at this. But anyway, for you guys who eat teriyaki or love teriyaki sauce food, whatever, then them noodles will be good for you. But I personally don't eat teriyaki. It was good, but I had to stop eating it. So let's taste this. This is hot and spicy with shrimp. That's all we say. Let's try this. Y'all, they done messed up my fork. Yeah, it's hot.
What are you going to be for? Using cash settlement. And I refuse to stand by and watch money.
Okay.
Cash salad.
Not really. I just got more money than I can spend. So
It is spicy.
new ways to use it.
But now I see how y'all just be swallowing y'all noodles. This one has a different texture. Like it's soft. It say it be ready in 3 minutes, but I put in there for 7 minutes. I don't know if that's the reason. It's spicy. It reminds me of the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. but it's not hot like that. It's just like a kind of hot. What's up? It's hot. I told you it was hot. You know it's hot. I feel like sure it was different, like of the noodle. This tastes of shrimp. I feel like the shrimp will be good, but not for like stuff that's warmed up like this. And this has cabbage and stuff in it too.
Get the full range of Jurassic World products. Look for the official mark.
I know I eat like a bird, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't feel like I'm talking about nothing. Oh, let me show y'all my favorite cereal. Look. My mama literally just gave it to me like the other day, and it's gonna be gone tomorrow. I've been busy. It usually be gone in 2 days, and tomorrow will be the 4th day, but I've been busy. Y'all, these noodles are they're good, but I just can't eat a lot of them because the texture of the noodle. I'm honestly craving the spicy noodles that y'all saw me do on here. Like, I'm playing with these noodles. I just wanted to taste them for real. But that's enough of them. Look how much I ate. I didn't eat nothing. It's a lot of noodles in here. I know I'm finna eat next. For real. By eating this. I know y'all like, this girl eating everything. I'm not finna eat these on camera, but I'm gonna eat them after I settle down and upload a video because I've been craving Bainas for the last, what, 2 days? I'm just showing you food that I've been craving and I've been eating for the last, what, 2 days? Yeah. I only eat the original Bainas and I add hot sauce. So I'm gonna eat these later and put some hot sauce on them. Y'all need to, if y'all haven't tried Bainas with hot sauce, try it. But try it regular first. Like, take one out, try it regular first, then put hot sauce on it. It's good. Any kind of hot sauce, you guys. But yeah, and these gone. I just want to show y'all what I've been eating. Woo, strawberry shortcake ice cream. This is so good. I had these when I was little. My mom used to always have these, so yeah. Let me move this box that way. That's what I've been eating for the last 2 days. I actually threw it outside, but I was like, let me go get the box so I can show them. But yeah, I've been eating this or whatever. What else I mean? That's it. I just really wanted to come on here and do a mukbang, and yeah. So anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my mukbang. What do you guys think I should eat next? Comment down below.
Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that.